Hi, thanks for watching. I'm Ruben from Nutanix, and in this quick demo you will see Nutanix SciFrame and Microsoft Azure NVv4 instances working together. These NVv4 instances are AMD CPU and AMD GPU powered machines. I'm connected to the Azure South Central Data Center using my local Windows endpoint, which is based roughly 8,000 kilometers, 5,000 miles away from the Azure data center. It's great to see how the frame remoting protocol works in such a WAN scenario. If we go to Task Manager, you can see this GPU is an AMD Radeon Instinct MI25. CPU is AMD EPYC CPU, and in this setup I'm using the NV8 V4. That's 8 CPUs, 28 gig of RAM, and 4 GB of video RAM. If I go to Microsoft Edge and go to speed test, you can see, of course, you have data center network performance. I'm using the San Antonio data center. And if I'm running a graphic intensive application, this is a WebGL car configurator. So it's using OpenGL for web. It's leveraging the AMD GPU. And of course, the frame remoting protocol works really well in a local area network and a wide area network scenario. In this setup, you can see the latency is roughly 160 millisecond latency, and distance is 2,500 miles from my local endpoint to the Azure data center. Let's see if I run another application, so you can see a couple of graphic intensive applications running side by side. It's always great. And the user experience is great as well. So without installing anything on my endpoint, these apps are running side by side. Graphic intensive, resource intensive applications, no client, no plugin, nothing installed on my endpoint, pure HTML5. So you see Frame and Nutanix with the NVv4 machines in action. In Dutch we say geweldig, and that translates to awesome in the US. So great to see Frame and Microsoft working closely together.